Yeah? You kind of like how that?
Oh, he's distracted with his own reflection.
I got lost in my own eyes. What do you think about that, Cooper?
That's a happy pig. You like belly rubs, Coop? Look, all his hair stands up, look. Does that give you goosebumps? Does that give you goosebumps?
Not too bad, huh? Yeah, that's not too bad. Boom.
He just falls over. Oh, belly rubs. Everybody loves belly rubs.
Everybody loves belly rubs.
Oh, Hershey. Him too. Oh, yeah. We got the dual belly rubs going. Some great background television noise.
Yeah.
It's too cute.
He's a good Cooper Dooper. Yeah, he's good. They're good pets.
You like belly rubs? Yep.